The rise of fiber optics and wireless transmission technologies ushers us into a brand new era. It has enriched people's ways of communication and life, facilitated social production and manufacturing, and inspired ideas about future and power. It brings new imagination to everything. It will create new life experiences and social models. C-Data, a manufacturer of high-quality network equipment. We are a high-tech company, mainly engaging in providing network solutions and products for operators, enterprises, and individuals. Since its establishment in 2009, through continuous R&D investment and market resources accumulation, we now have 3 subsidiaries: NHN, Celis, and Changshitong. Respectively, these 3 subsidiaries focus on operator network solutions, wireless transmission products, and government and enterprise network services. We are a leading enterprise in integrated services like global data, video, and voice and transmission products, and an international professional network product manufacturer. Our products are sold all over the world. Our products are widely applied in operator networks, ISPs, and enterprise networks in nearly 100 countries. C-Data has a variety of PON products to meet the needs of various FTTX networking. The perfect fit of the OLT software and hardware platforms, providing strong ONT management capabilities. Our concept of miniaturization, modularization, and a unified platform provides users with future-oriented converged network solutions. We guarantee profit maximization of current network investment and continuous network bandwidth upgradability. We help telecom operators and ISPs achieve the development of diverse data, video, and voice services. Our wireless solutions, including local and cloud management platforms and various AP products, contain efficient spectrum management, highly concurrent connections, and other technologies, and meet the security, reliability, and scalability needs of ISPs and enterprises. We are committed to the continuous expansion of products and technologies. For 5G application, we provide a new generation of PON products with massive connectivity, ultra-high speed, large capacity, and low latency. We provide 5G smart CPE products. We understand what our customers need and focus on independent technology development and product quality. We offer high-speed, high-quality, multimedia, and multidimensional information access experiences to our users. Today, high standards of product quality, good service capability of quick response, and the values of honesty, trustworthiness, and responsibility have become the reason why our customers choose us. Relying on practical and innovative technologies, C-Data has obtained many honors and certifications, such as National High-Tech Enterprise, ISO Management Systems, and CE certification. Looking forward, we will continuously adhere to the comprehensive development, keep our commitments, pursue excellence, and achieve social reform with our customers, partners, and network technologies.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining. This is Jackie from C-Data. It is really nice to invite everyone together to join this meeting. And actually, this online show, we want to promote that our C-Data. However, let's start the show. Let me share my screen first, then we can have the detail. All right. So thank you for joining this one. This one is the product launch for 2023 autumn. So this show is the main point. I want to introduce ourselves together and just join back to Indian market. Let you guys understand what we are having right now. So it is really welcome you to join this show. Okay, let me share the agenda of today's show. So now so really welcome everyone to stay here. And I will have some short time to do some data introduce and our product FTTH solutions, product demo, and our new software promotion. So this one I will do some showing to you guys to see that. And also the introduction to the training course. We're going to have a training course to have everyone, you can join to see, to know how about our configuration, how about product, how about new software, everything. And later we'll have some question and answer. Okay, so let's start showing here. Okay, so firstly, I want to talk about the data. There will be the history that from India market we joined since 2011. Until now, there's already 12 years past. But you know that there for some reason the data are doing good business in India, and later there will be some weak list, and now we are joining back together. So that caused a lot of things before. That's a history. I know that everyone may be hearing in this meeting, we already have some knowledge about the data products. Before whatever, we have some good products before and good selling in the market before. And things from 2019, 2020, maybe we're going down because of product issue, price issue, everything. But now we're doing something good and we're trying to going back. So this is the reason that we're holding this product launch. However, let me start the presentation first, okay? So firstly, I want to introduce our CData company. CData company, it is established from 2009. And there's a very long time here now. It's about 14 years, about 15 years about. So now CData is becoming a very big company here, and we have more than 700 global employees. And also for the R&D team, we have 150 more. So our most of the engineers based in Shenzhen, Wuhan city, and some other area, we also have some basic engineer located. Okay, so come back to here, we want to see that. Okay, sorry, this is the photo we're showing. It is our new factory. Let's just show something. Later, I will show the video. Okay, so this is the milestone from our data history, things from 2009, and from 2021 we have the WBM HFS and some more new products launch. And now 2023, we're gonna have something new, totally new product to launch into the market. Before we're doing something traditional, but now it's not that matching the market request. So we need to do something new. We spent over 2 years to renew our product listing. Okay, so come back to the factory. Here is our new factory location. They have 75,000 square meters, all belong to us. Also near the Shenzhen here. So we are doing the manufacture center. We have the experience to do the manufacture from SMT, DIP, and SIM-wise, and final testing, everything. We can do more than 800,000 units per month. Okay, so come back to the advantage from us. We have a global reach from our R&D, SMT, DIP, and manufacture, everything doing by ourselves. So the product will be good to launch into market, and we can solve any problem we are facing. So it's not like some trading company, they have some products just buying from other factories, so maybe they cannot do the maintenance. But here we are doing that. And we can do the technical support, including the software, hardware installation, and the registration, everything we are doing right now. So here we have professional and enough experience to launch in the market. Maybe before you were talking about maybe the data support is low, but now it's different. We are joining back a very big maintenance team. Now more and more people is joining to our support team, the R&D support team. So here we have our evidence to saying to you, saying that we are more stronger to supporting the end customer. Now the main thing we wanted to do is supporting the customer, make the business better. Okay. So now come back to our products and solutions. We now doing some home networking, enterprise network, FTTX, access network, everything, and EOC, smart, EMS system, and CCS. These kinds of cloud management system, we are all supporting into the market. So later, I will detailedly tell you that we are doing from the hardware to software, what is the renews. Okay, let's go for the second part about our FTTX solution, different needs we are meeting. So here, it is the map we are showing, the logical map we are showing for the end user. Basically, we are doing these kinds of solutions. We can supporting home user, office, campus, and shopping mall, everything. You can see here, we totally mark here, we have a CMS system. This one I will clearly tell and do the introduce later, okay? So come back to the product first. Intelligent security solution. Now we are promoting the MDU. MDU, that means the POE ONU combined together, can supporting the government and public to do the solution as the security solution. Like you can see here, we can doing the crossroad, shopping mall, and safe city and factory, everything connecting with camera, connecting with parking alarm, connecting with some more device without the power input, right? So for here, we are promoting the MDU to the whole solutions. So I would like to introduce this one later. Okay, so second one, it is our main business, the OLT. OLT, before we have only the series like from EPON, GPON, from 4 port, 8 port, and 16 ports. But now we are doing something new. You can see here there's different series. First is the GPON OLT. We do also the traditional 4A16, but you can see here our packing, our design, our hardware, our software is totally different. We're doing a lot of renews. Maybe before we're facing the problem like our configuration is hard, our OMCI issue, our cooling system issue, temperature high, something. We all doing the renews. Okay. So and now because it's a marketing request, most of the end user they're requesting like 4 plus 10G uplink costs. We also doing in the new product right here. So we were supporting 4 plus 10G for the new device from 8 ports and 16 ports also. Okay. So all supporting servers management system, this one is very, very useful for the end user. Now, you know that CData now in the Indian market, we are facing the problem. We have challenge. We have the competitive reliability solution, some other GX something. The main problem to our selling that to the end user is about because the engineer, they are very familiar to using the B solution products, knowing their configuration, knowing their management system and everything, they're working very familiar. So they don't want to change it. But I can tell you that now we are providing the service, we are providing the software, we're providing the configuration way. It's better than that. It's more convenient, more smart. Everything is very easy to run that. So then we will prepare a training part to let you understand what we are doing. Actually, we don't need multiple lessons. We only have one lesson can teach you everything. Okay, so here we come back to the products. EPON GPON and EPON OLT. This one we are providing the new hardware, new software. And okay, next page I will do some introduce. And for the flexible GPON OLT, this is the new promotion from us. We're doing the flexible part, this one, to let the customer can more easier, more flexible, more smart to select the device what they need. So, okay, no problem. Later I will detailedly explain this one. So firstly, let's go for our new OLT. New OLT will have 4 operations. Now, firstly, it's the plug-able power module. Before this is one of the selection before, but now with providing this one is a traditional module that was supporting the customer, and optical AC, PC, and a BBU, battery backup unit. This one will be inbuilt into the card. So by the end customer, they only to select the module that to able to plug into, then that will be more easier to maintain. Okay. And second is the compact size. Now most 99% of the cabinets, we can install our device inside it very easy. So this is the traditional size. And the packing, you don't need to worry about the maintenance, everything right here. So let's go for the third one. We're supporting CMS and OLT Web 3.0. This is the very new thing. Later, I will show you the demo, let you see how it's benefits. It is smart, workflow, and very easy to maintain, very easy to see it, everything. Okay, and the heat dissipation optimization. This one we are supporting the benefit if we're doing the fan design. It's totally new. We have the module spacing, it's totally different. We have the intelligent variable fan fit design. This one is helping you saving the energy in the same time in increasing the fan cooling system automatic like AI. It will automatic working when the temperature is going up. There will be full power working, something like that. So this is the good things to put into the new device. Then make our OLT working the field more flexible, more convenient for the end user. Okay, so let's go for the flexible OLT. This one you can see here, that is the demo right there. We can see that the maximum 1U device we can match 32 ports to supporting the internet. So pizza box, normally people are only doing the 16 ports. This one we can maximum do 32 ports. And it will be saving a lot of ports if you like. Maybe you can also, this is not the necessary providing. Here we will providing 5 different modules to help you to do the selection. First is the 4-port GPON, 8-port GPON, 16-port GPON. This one you can do as you like to combine as like a 8-port OLT, like a 12-port OLT, 16 ports in maximum 32 ports. And this last 2 cards is more important. We are providing 4-port 10G EPON and 8-port XGS port. And in the meantime, this OLT we can supporting the card like 25G uplink. We can have 4 plus 25G uplink ports right here. And here we can see here, south side we also have 4 10G uplink. So maximum this one can do 140G uplink. This one can supporting the bandwidth for 1G for the end user for no doubt. So it will be more convenient. Normally, when you start to distribute the internet into the market, maybe in the first, you only need to buy something like 8-port or 12-port. That will be enough for you to start a business. But in the meantime, you're increasing your end user in this area, right? So in the future, you can only add the module cards. Then you don't need to change the new module. Then you will be working in the field. That will be very benefit for maintenance to set up. You don't need to spend more money. There will saving costs or all this one. It is benefits. And also in the meantime, maybe you don't need the XGS or something. So This device can help you to walk on the field. And later, when the XGS phone is requesting, what you need to do, only change the PON card. Then you can use another technology. So this is another benefit. Okay. So here, it is the second one that we want to promote. We also have the audio OLT. It's true. But maybe some guys will be thinking about how about the security, how we protect this one without stealing something. We are thinking about the solution. How about this device is working well in some sphere, and if you think about the solution you want to provide to the customer, this is a good thing. And this audio OLT we providing two types. Firstly is the happiness OLT, and second one have more protection class like IP16 protection class to put into the field. And this type of OLT we already put into the field and doing in Indonesia in the installation. This is good for the field. So some customer will be like it. If you have any idea they need this type of product, just tell us. Okay, so let's come back to the software part. Software part, now we're doing something new on the OLT web guidance. This one is why I'm saying that now our website, our software is smart. It is helping the end user to do the configuration very easy. We make it like step by step. You can just put presetting into the website, then let the maintenance guy go to the field, and then if they need to do the setup, they just follow it. And you can do the pre-setup on the software, then they just click the button. They will be helping them to solve all the problems. So this one we will give the training later. And the web management interface also doing some operation. Before you can see that the traditional OLT website is very, I think, a little bit ugly. But now the new version, there will be more clear. You can see everything in the main page, and you can just click by what you need. All right. So let's go to the OLT web to log into the ONU web. It also can directly log in the ONU web to see the interface inside, to see the connection inside. The main detail will be shown on the website. Okay, later I will show the demo, don't worry. So let's go for the product part, ONU product part. Now what we are promoting, we do all types of ONU as per requesting, like from data, from Wi-Fi, single band, dual band, and with FEM. And also Wi-Fi 6 we're doing right now, okay? So MDU and ONU plus OTD box. Also we are doing together. So all type of ONU, if you like, we are doing right now. And I can commit to you, now our price is much more competitive. All right. So come back to the Wi-Fi 6 part. Now this year we are promoting new Wi-Fi 6 ONU supporting AX1500, AX1800, and AX3000. These three types. Normally now the end user, they're using the AC 1200 is enough for the field, but as we discussing with the chipset vendor, as we discussing with our product manager, we're planning to have this AX1500 to do the in-steps of the replacement of the AC 1200. And the price will be similar. The price will be the same. Then this one, technology operation, and the price still be there. I think the end customer, they will be very happy on working. So this is the future, all right? And AX3000, we will promote it as the real Wi-Fi 6 ONU. This one is very, I think it's well known by everyone. Everyone's doing the Wi-Fi 6, but this one we will do it very carefully. Actually, we have the Wi-Fi 6 ONU since 3 months ago, but we keep doing the testing, keep doing into the field, and we still not doing the promotion because of everything is not that okay by ourselves. We do the fully testing, then now start to promoting out. Okay, so this is the Wi-Fi 6 ONU. Full series of ONU, we have all these kinds of things. This is the benefit we have. Ready to launch, easy to use, cost effective. Every dollar counting that we are thinking about. I know the Indian market is more concerned about the price, so we are preparing this part for you. And in the meantime, I want to talk about the supporting how we do the business there. Right now, mainly because of PC, because of the pricing in India, we also supporting the CKD part in India. Now we have some provision partners like GDN, like GDN, all these parts. We are doing some supporting in the India field. And if you have any suggestion, just tell me. All right. And next one is the panel type ONU. This one is different casing, different looking, and maybe helping you to promote the hotel, some villa projects, and let them to understand that we have this type of product. They're very convenient and very nice looking to install, right? And for the MDU parts, we supporting 8 ports, 24 ports, and 16 ports, 3 types. And these 3 types we're supporting PoE and PoE plus. The output power, single output power could be 30 watts. So this one would be familiar to most of the products they're using. As I think that for security, for government projects, for some outdoor projects, it is okay for us. So let's think about it. New brands ONU web. You can see that same as the OLT. We're doing some renewals now. The UI is much more better than before. So see here, it's about CMS system. Our CMS system now, we name it as CMS because we're combining 3 parts together. Firstly is the ACS part and the EMS part, and we also doing the faulty diagram combined together. Okay, the protocol we're using on CMS is TR069. How is working? We using this CMS as the ACS, we can do the configuration, we can do the operation for our ONU part. And no matter what kinds of OLT they are using. Before, maybe some customer were facing the problem like we're using the solution OLT, then because of the OMCF problem, because of the OAM problem, they are not able to do the configuration. But we using the CMS to solve the problem. The device will be through TR069 to do the configuration, no matter they're working on the which brand of OLT. And one more benefit, this CMS system is not only can manage our data brand OLT, it can manage every brand of OLT, ONU. So this is the benefit we want to promote into the market. And if the customer you like it, we will promote this CMS for free without any cost. Okay, so here is the benefit. I don't want to speak so a lot of things to here. I will show you the demo immediately, and you can see the interface. You can see the function by yourself. And HFC, let's ignore it. I don't think it will be promoting to India markets. Okay, about the thinking of our next step, you know that now most of the customer they're facing like they need smart home. This is the big topic in the future. So most of the customer they prefer IoT gateway service and to do the smart home business in the home. And you can see we have the ONU. The ONU have the CPU, flash, and everything inside. It is like a small PC. Why we cannot do the IoT gateway into the ONU? So this is our next trend. We're doing the, this is what we named it. It's the Cloud Node series. It is the ONU with IoT gateway as the terminal device. You can help, it can help it to manage all the smart devices in your home site. So promote it. See, for example, now in China, the China Mobile already have this type of service. They providing FTTR to the end user. So they using this device, they can sell a lot of extra products like camera, like alarm, like video, like air conditioner, everything. What they like, they can put it in online shop. It is adding the value for the end customer, for the ISP customer. So they will be very familiar to think about how to do the next part. So this is our thing. We are doing this cloud things 1 year ago. So now it has some demo. We are doing the testing. We are doing the discoveries. So you'll be coming soon. Okay. So also we have the network operation to do the benefit. We have the app we can do into the cloud. This is our thinking about the future. Everything needs to be on cloud, right? So everything this here we will put into the device. You can use a mobile to do the maintenance in the field. That will be easier to everyone to use the network. This is the future we are doing right now. Okay. So now I finished my talking on our presentation. So I will directly show you our product right now. About the products, I want to show you that here is the main product we are promoting into the field. And in India markets, maybe these two types is much more famous. 2+1 dual band and 2+1 single band. I think most of customers is looking for these two. Give me the inquiry, I will give you the good price. And in the same time, you can look in these two types. This two is the Wi-Fi 6 products. We are promoting into the market with a very nice price also. So let's think about the promotion. Here is the MDU. Here is the MDU. What we are saying that this is the 8-port MDU and the metal casing and very good lighting, very strong. Working here. Think about the business, guys. Okay, so here I want to show you. It is our new type OLT. Before I just saying, but now here is the real hardware. See here, very strong, and the color is a little bit different. And then you can see here there will be have 4 plus 10G upping ports. Plug-able power supply. Everything here is different. Before you can see our product, maybe if you have our old product in the field, maybe you can see that before we have only 2 fans. Now have 3. This is very easy to see. All right, so this is our new OLT. New OLT. This one is for 8-port GPON, right? So going back to this one, 16-port GPON. Also nice looking, doing the 10G. And later we will think about to do another product with the power supply in front. All right. See, here is what I'm talking about, the flexible OLT. Very new products in the field. I don't think any other vendor is doing this type of product. Every PON card will be flexible, even the fan card, it can be plug-able. That means you can have this box and plug in every card inside. You can transfer to be the new one. More easier maintenance, more good for using into the field. That's good for everyone, right? Also plug-able power supply. One more thing about the power supply module. We are doing lithium battery inside of it. There will be another option. So you don't need to have the backup battery outside. So after this, we can see here all the traditional product we are promoting. And now I'm coming to promote you the new website we are promoting into the market. So here it's okay for us. Let me share my screen again. Okay. Now you guys can see my screen. This is the new CMS system what I'm trying to promote. Oh, sorry, I just changed the language to be English. Okay. So now this system now is launched in our own server. It is now managing multiple devices. You can see here is the top map. You can see here different basic, different information on the back side. You can see the from the desktop. So this desktop normally is for the management to see the network information. You can see how many devices deployed online, active, and the monthly reports right here. In the right side, they will be showing the warming. They're showing the alarm. Alarm analyze also be here. Real-time analyze also showing here. Then the maintenance guide or the management only need to see that how is the critical issue, how is the major issue, and how is the mirror issue will be showing directly in the front page. All right. So let's go to the secondary device parts. This is the new CMS system. We show the every device as an icon. This icon we can see here, it is not just a picture. You're showing the real device, how it works. Like this one, 4 ports with voice, with U-band Wi-Fi. And if you plug in different type of device, it will be showing different parts. By single click, you can see the major detail. You can see the main detail about this device. And by your double clicking, you can directly go into the device. You can see the device, how it works. And the wireless client, how many connections, and the wire connection, how it works, and the transmit power, everything's necessary information you can find in the main page. Doing configuration, you can configure it by the internet, by the CMS online. Doing the edit will be helping you to do as you like. Let's go for the second one. Diagnose. I think this one is a very useful function for the end user, for the engineer. Because normally when you're facing the problem report from the customer, they will tell you that, oh, my device is offline. You need to help me. Then you need to go to the field to see what kind of problem happened. Or maybe you can use the OLT to detect it. But you need to do a lot of things, like checking the input power, like checking the transmit power, everything, right? But this one will help you to do it out. Smart system will be help you detect all the problem directly. Then it will become out the result, which part have the problem, which part have the problem. And when you click the next step, you will have the solution. You need to do the reboot, restore factory configuration, or upgrade anything as you need it. So by the CMS system, you can do a lot of ACS part problem, then help you to do the configuration, help you to do the analyzing. Even that you don't have enough knowledge for the problem, you just see the page. You will know what you need to do. Okay, so for the alarm part, we have real-time alarm and alarm analyze. Not like others, maybe some of the EMS system, they just tell you that there will be some alarm. They have some problem, but they will not tell you the possible problem. Here we will tell you the possible course and help you to do the analyze, give you the suggestion how you need to do. And for this system, we put the small AI inside. Because make an example, if the field happens some rock problem, like internet rock problem, then this ONU will be affected whole internet product, right? So this system will automatically cut its internet off first and tell you this device has the problem, and then let you to manage it. So this is the smart action for the system. For the monitor part, monitor, you can do the parameter as you like. You can put into the item, diagram, everything. So put into the page as you selection. You can select at least 10 devices in the same page. You can see what types of parameter you want to compare together. Then you will be more easier to service for the end customer, like what types of internet now they are using and what is the better feeling for their firm. Okay, this is good for the end user. Okay, so now about I think most of people, they are more worried about the operation. This CMS can help you to do the upgrade. How we do? We just upload the firmware inside and just put into the system. Then you can see here, we do the operation. We can do the planning on the operation. Here you can select different device, different vendor device, different model, different firmware name, and even you can set up the upgrade planning from which time to which time, from nighttime to the daytime. That will be helping, not affecting the real customer, and do the automatic operation. This is the good plan for everyone, right? All right, so this is the operation for the ONU. And also we come back to the OLT parts. Here you can see the listing about the OLT. We also can do the firmware operation right here. So directly double clicking, you can go into the OLT web page. That's really nice, right? So now the basic function about the CMS, we do the 0.7 version right now. Now it's coming to launch the 1.0 version. Then you can install into your server. You can install to the cloud. That is based on you. We will give this service for free. Okay, let's go for the OLT parts. OLT, as I saying that, we also have a different looking on the UI part. You can see here, every icon there's showing something, like the PON part, like the basic information, V part, like the metal. By single click, you can know the major, you can know the main information as you like. How many things working, CPU, memory, temperature, everything will be very clear, showing on the main page. And the deployment, as I just telling you, we have different multiple deployment planning. You can do the step by step to show to the end customer, show to the maintenance guys, let them do the setup, do the configuration automatically. Go to the ONU part. You can also read any necessary information from the ONU. Also can log into the web of the ONU. Then that is very convenient to see everything. Configuration. Here's step 1, step 2, step 3. Main thing we wanted to do is helping you to easily using our OLT, easily using to do the configuration. No need to do the training, no need to type the code, and very satisfied on walking to the field. Okay, this is the OLT new website. If you like, you can show you the link, show you the demo. You can just test by yourself. And the last one will be the ONU website. You can see here, the ONU website will be very clear to show the needful information if you like it. One page, security, application, management system, firmware operation, backup, everything will be right here. That will be easy to let you see the interface, let you more clear to see what you need to do. So from this page, that will be more convenient for you. I think you will like this software. Okay. Okay, now it's the things what we need to promote on the product parts. And also here, I want to tell you that we're gonna have another planning. Show you. we're gonna to have a training course. This is the training course we are planning to do. We are helping the engineer or the maintenance of or the IMD, helping you to learn about our product, learn about our equipment, how to do the operation, how is the configuration from both our OT and ONU. And the CMS management system, how to learn the detail, how it works, and interoperability with other vendors and troubleshooting together. This training will be separated to 3 lessons. There will be the coming from November 23 to 25. Each day, now we are setting the time like from the morning 10 o'clock as you like say here. You can share me your idea. If you're not convinced on this time, we can do some training. After the training, after the lesson, we will do the testing exam on this part. So we will share the timeline on November 30 or before that. Later we will do the clear confirmation on the timing. Here, what we do, we want to let you to understand what we are, our products, data products in the field and how it benefits. You will like it very much. And if you pass the exam, surely we'll have some bonus for you. We will share some bonus after the testing part. So this is really nice. You guys can join into my talking. I will show you the detailed linking about the classes and the testing link. If you like, you can join. I will share the QR code later. You can do the registration, and later we will start to have the lesson set up. Okay, very thank you for listening to me for so long time. So now it's coming like question and answer. If you guys like, you can have some idea. If you have some information, you can share to me. Please type to me. And any question here, we can trying to answer you. And I will invite our technical team together to help to understand what you like and share our idea, share everything out. So please have your question to us if you like. Now I'm online to waiting for this. And everyone, if you have any questions, just tell me. I will answer you one by one. So here, I will see the message right now. Okay, so how is the training day? The training day, as I'm showing that will be on November next month, from 23 to 25, these 3 days. We have 3 different lessons, and later we will have a testing exam in the final exam here. We will issue authorizations. We'll issue you a certification. You can just log in our website and saying that, yeah, this engineer from your name is passing our exam. This is also a certification. Later, I can just tell you secretly, later, this certification will bring you some benefits in the future. Oh, so another question is, do we have the PEC certificates for our products in India? Actually, I want to say about the PEC because PEC product have the basic request. I need to have the Indian local company to apply for the PEC certificate, right? But I can say that we already have some certificates in India from our customers. So we are also planning to do something like we have the partner factory together. We have the PEC application to have the certificate in local. Then you can buy from this part of company directory or buy from a factory directory. Then you can sell to the market. That will be benefit for you. You have the API in your software. I would like to integrate our existing existing radio software. 这个 API 的这个 Do we have the API? Please, please. I will let my engineer together to join here. I will need to 我们的软件有这个 API 装置，所以他们 So for our CMS system, we will do the API connecting. We can do as you like. We can support you to do the API connecting with your own software. So this is okay for us. Oh, can we configure third-party ONU from our new OLT? Of course, yes. I cannot say something against our competitor, but I can tell you now that all the vendors in the market, we can do our OLT configuration, and we can do the ONU configuration from our OLT. We can do our OLT configuration for third-party ONU together. So no problem. So any change to develop CMS software and basic laptop and desktop because of anyone can't use server machine. No problem. We can install to your laptop. As your laptop or as your personal computer as a very small server, you can just put into your office, then you can allow it. Actually, I have another suggestion. We're planning to have our own server in India altogether. Then we will put into this server and put into the cloud. We'll give you the account login. Then you use the account. You can just manage your own software, your own device. So you don't need to load into your own server. If you believe us, we will give you this type of service. And the chips and them right now we currently working is all for Realtek. And if you're asking for the OLT, there will be Broadcom. What is the process of to run multiple multi-cloud video service along with internet service? Sorry, this function still on pending. We maybe will be considered. It's very thankful you can ask for this feature. We were thinking for how to develop in the future very soon. I will record your request. We have existing monitoring solutions which meant for all OLT from different vendors. Can we get SNMP file for the data OLT if we buy the OLT? Of course, we're supporting for this part. You don't want to use different EMS for different OLT. That's okay for us. Actually, we suggest you can use our CMS. One CMS can manage all the ONU device, but for the OLT part, yeah, we can support you to do as you like. What about the trusted source certificates? This is a good question. Actually, for trusted source certificate, if you work with us, we're helping you to get it. I think secretary, we have some solution. We can talk with you after this online show. To be friendly, we already helping someone to get it. Any Cuban xPON ONT? Good question. Actually, we are doing this one also, and now the first version we already promote. We already launched into China location because we now testing in the basic ISP in China, like China Mobile, China Unicorn, this kind of companies. So we try to test in the field and make sure that this xPON ONU is very familiar. Then we'll be promoting to the market. sample we already can send, but this allows us to spend some more build time because we are also doing the same on OLT part. So we want to combine together to go into the market. Does your CMS support the third-party ONU completed features? What I'm thinking about is not completed feature. If you like, if you're talking about the complete feature, like some more detail working from the OLT part, maybe some job needs to do the OMCI to do that. So for the CMS, what we can do is like the ACS part through the TR-9. So the next version, I mean the version 2 about the CMS, we will do together with the OLT OMCI part. So then you can configure more features for the third-party ONU. Actually, it is same to us, ONU and ONP. That's the OLT support core level 3, like OSPF, EIG, RP. Actually, our OLT is supporting OSPF, but EIGRP there will be the next step. Do this ONP support duplexing for the uplink ports? In the older version, this option was not available. Oh, it's OLT, right? So okay, so for the diffracting for the uplink ports, this one we'll see the next version also, but this one is put on our planning like from beginning of next year. Price issue, I cannot talk into the show, but please leave your message, leave your email address here. Then I will connect to you after this meeting, okay? I will connect with you and how we do the business, how we sell to you. That want me, I will support you. You can buy in local, no problem. Okay, is there any other question more? Okay, so really thank you everyone to join to this online show. Actually, it is very, very pleased to invite you all together to join here. And in the end of this showing, I wanted to introduce our college based in India also. So Mr. Vibhuti, Mr. Divesh, they are our India college. So if you have any problem, please contact with them and they will be helping you to solve your local problem. And about the business, of course, you can contact them and me directly. Then we will helping you to solve all the problem you need. And we can tell you how to do, how we were going to do, and in the future, how to make the business better. So including the product, including everything. That one we promise to do. DJ ties back to Indian markets. Thank you for everyone to join to this online show. So Really, really thankful. Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jackie. It was a good one.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vibhuti sir.
Thank you, Vivek sir.
I hope all your questions are resolved, all your queries are addressed. And we'll share the training data also.
ठीक है विभूति जी, समझो शेयर करो।
ठीक है थैंक यू।
हमने सुना नहीं क्या हुआ, तुम्हें बताना चाहिए पहले।
ठीक है, मिलता हूं मैं आपसे।
ओके।